Ki PAIDBAH nong SHNONG ka SHNONG MAIKHULI ha ka khatwei trek naitung kilami banyat PAIDBAH ban PYRSHAH jur halor ka jingasoi ya ka soskular Memorandum of Understanding ha pedeng ka jela Meghalaya bat ka Assam. Ha ka jinga PYNBEIT ya upot usam ka bala pengat ya ki PUNG DOHKHA jong ka SHNONG MAIKHULI sya ka jela Assam. Hagani ka jingyat PAIDBAH kinong SHNONG ka MAIKHULI nadu kilong kmi kilong kpa ki Samla bat kinong ilam SHNONG kilai mi PAIDBAH ban ra ki banner ki plakat bat ki jingtho ba bun rukam ki ba penram jur halor kani ka jing pengat jibor ya ka PUNG DOHKHA sya Assam. Kila dawa na ka sorkar Meghalaya ban penpai biang ya ka te ka PUNG DOHKHA sya ka SHNONG MAIKHULI ka bahap ahri bhoi district. Kila dawa jur na sorkar Meghalaya bat sorkar Assam bakin penkelano ek Memorandum of Understanding bat ban penpai biang ye ketika PUNG DOHKHA sya ka SHNONG MAIKHULI. Kila penpauru bakinum ailat ba ketika PUNG DOHKHA balarila sumar da ka SHNONG kan let sya ka jela Assam. Habakren shikinong tho Khubor, urang ba SHNONG ka MAIKHULI ba Nicholas Marak, bat urang ba SHNONG barim ba Henitan Marak, kila penpau ba ka SHNONG bat ki PAIDBAH nong SHNONG hibarok kawai, kita ngosi jur ba la penhap jibor ya ketika PUNG DOHKHA sya Assam, ha ka jinga soy ka Memorandum of Understanding ban PYNBEIT ya upot usam ka Meghalaya bat Assam. Kila kenok da ka boong, kani ka jinga soy ya ka MoU kadai ka bala shuya soy jubor klem dati banyak ni wat banyak ba kani ka PUNG DOHKHA kadai ka nong kenti jong ka SHNONG MAIKHULI. Na ka jing mi jong kani ka PUNG la kershan barok ka jing lut jing sep ban penyat ya ka skul bat ka jing lut jing sep ha ki kam SHNONG kam thau kila ong.
हम लोग बनाने का टाइम में कौन सी बाधा नहीं किया है, कोनो डिस्टर्ब नहीं किया है, ये तो आसान का बोल गया। अभी बनाने के बाद में MOU में ऐसा बनता है, तो कहाँ वो ढूंढे bill. This is not the Mohamari bill. We call this Meghalaya in our MAIKHULI village. This is the MAIKHULI village fishery pond. Only we written this name, MAIKHULI village fishery pond, not the Mohamari bill. Mohamari bill is 1 kilometer far from here. This is called Patorkusi Nogaon Gaon. There is no place now, Mohamari bill there is no. Because this is already filled up and constructed dwelling house, everything. That's why people are not known. That's Mohamari bill. Actually, it is not called the Mohamari bill. This is the Mohamari bill is different. That's why we are protesting and giving the memorandum to Chief Minister and our Honorable Magistrate and DC also, Deputy Commissioner also. Just early when the Chief Minister came to this Umsining block inauguration, that time we have given a memorandum also, and Deputy Commissioner Ripoy and our Magistrate, Revenue Magistrate, Mr. Eric Dekar. That also we have already given. And if any will be included, Meghalaya during the detailed survey in MAIKHULI area, Mohamari bill, which is adjacent to MAIKHULI playground, will remain with Assam, and the MAIKHULI graveyard will be with Meghalaya. Thus, overall Meghalaya will get approximately 0.50 per square kilometer, and Assam will get approximately 1.74 square kilometer. That's all, because we have very much protesting this from the beginning, when Meghalaya state is carved out from the Assam since 1972. We are fighting. And you know, 1976, when Captain Williamson Sangma is the chief minister, was the chief minister. That time, we went to meet the Captain Williamson Sangma regarding this border problem. There also, we should help from our Didi Lapang. He's still alive. Is very helpful to us in MAIKHULI village people. Nah? That's why we went to meet the Captain Williamson Sangma that time also. Now, we are not going to give our fishery fund to Assam because it is a well-known our MAIKHULI village fishery fund. Now, since more than 50 years, we are maintaining. That's why we never going to surrender to Assam. It is the main point. That's why we are proceeding today. And also, we have more time. We have given the memorandum also to our Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, everyone, Chief Secretary also. When we got this memorandum, I myself, my name is Senepson Barak, I take out this RTI from our Chief Secretary Diwalang. No, that's why I got this memorandum and I have seen this all the points. No, that's why we are protesting here today. My view and my speak this much. So I request our Honorable Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, please look after this matter again and again. We have submitting memorandum also, and earlier we have submitted and details, historical and what to say, everything we have submitted to you. So please, sir, you please consider this matter and give back to the MAIKHULI village. Thank you.